Welcome to Ladye Park, a truly remarkable country home set just outside Liskeard in around about 5 acres of private grounds. This 7-bedroom former monastery really blends a remarkable history with an elegant and spacious living accommodation. As soon as you walk into Ladye Park, you get a true sense of the size and character of the property. With the open fire and the owner's grand piano, you get a real sense of the atmosphere. The kitchen really is at the heart of the home of Ladye Park, with the lovely slate flooring, the slate worktop surface here, and the large Aga, and easy access right out onto all the dining areas of the property. The grounds at Ladye Park are every bit as fascinating as the house itself, from the Fountain of Youth within the gardens, and it used to be a place of pilgrimage for many years.